This is Nokia 9 PureView, and today I will show how you can download and install the Opera browser on it. So to start, you will need to launch the Google Play Store app, make sure that your device is connected to Wi-Fi, of course, then search for Opera. Once the needed app is found, you can initiate its installation either directly from the search results or from its app details page. Doesn't really matter as long as you press the install button. Once the app is installed, you can just launch it and perform an initial simple setup procedure. So first step is to tap this button or skip option, depending on if you would like to set Opera as your default browser or not. And then you can customize the data collection preferences or simply allow everything that it asks for and start using the browser. So that will be it. Thanks for watching and bye bye.